Hey gang, this is Amichi for Shredder Gang, and today's recipe is yam and garden egg sauce. I'll start by adding yam, salt, water to a clean pot and cook until the yam is soft and tender. Next, I'll proceed to steaming my washed and chopped garden egg with little water for 5 minutes, after which I'll transfer to a manual chopper and roughly chop the steamed garden egg. If you don't have a chopper or food processor, feel free to pound the garden eggs. Next, add palm oil and onion in a heated saucepan and saute for 2 minutes. Then add fresh chopped tomatoes, pepper, crayfish and bouillon and stir to combine. Next, add the roughly chopped or pounded steamed garden eggs gently into the saucepan, then stir to combine evenly. Then add your smoked deboned mackerel fish and incorporate as well. Next, cover the pot and allow to cook for 6 to 10 minutes on low heat. After 6 to 10 minutes, stir the sauce evenly. Then for more vital nutrients, add some fresh chopped scent leaves, then allow to steam for 1 minute. Then stir to combine. And that's it, guys. The recipe is delicious, nutritious and easy to recreate. And for more healthy local dishes like this, please follow Shredder Gang. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.